If the screen went off, will you still be able to recognize this rhythm? Listen to it carefully. Before you go to check the title, be honest and please write in the comments what rhythm you think you heard. Hola familia afrocubana, I'm Alfredo Garcia from AFROCUBAN Online, a platform designed to bring clarity and awareness to salsa and afrocuban dancers about the afrocuban movements they are already doing. In this video, we are talking about the toque Ogun that you see in Percussion Tutor. This toque is the second one in the order of Oro y Vodou. In the application Percussion Tutor, it says rhythm Ogun, but Ogun is an Orisha, the Orisha of iron and metal. He's the relentless warrior of the Yoruba tradition. His steps demand determination and strength. Therefore, calling this rhythm the name of the Orisha is not accurate. But no worries, I'm going to tell you the name of this toque, which is Mariboye or Kobu Kobu, or the Spanish version is Rezo de Ogun. And now that you know the name of it and the Orisha that it belongs to, let's listen to it one more time. Remember, we don't listen to dance, we listen to understand the rhythm that we are about to dance. Awareness before movement. I'm curious, as you were listening to this rhythm, how did your body feel? How did you react? Here we are anchoring the rhythm to the body. And now let's go to the app. Open the app and look for the rhythm Ogun. Here you will see Ogun variation and Ogun conversation. Do not worry, we're talking about the same rhythm. Remember that Percussion Tutor was created for musicians, never to tell you what to dance. Now I want you to mute the iya and the itotele. Listen to the okonkolo. Connect with this melody. You heard the rhythm. Now you know what I'm going to say. Hum it. Make it yours. Get it inside your body. Hum it. Go enjoy it. And the next step, I want you to play it on your thighs. You have to learn this pattern before you dance it. As a dancer, it's very important to use the three senses. You saw the rhythm, you heard the rhythm, and you played the rhythm. So we are making it visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. I invite you to subscribe to this channel and please tell me what you want to learn next. And good, now let's go to the dance studio. There is one mistake that people here do, and it's stretching too much the arm. Remember, don't stretch it because then you will be dancing more a different Orisha than Ogun. If you want to understand what to dance when you hear these rhythms, follow this series. In this series, we transform rhythms into movements. Because in Afrocuban tradition, the drum speaks and the body answers. Check this video here because you're going to love it. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, Ashe y bendiciones para ti.